Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to draw vector art of Superman in Inkscape 1.0. And another word, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Open the document properties and uncheck the show page border option. I will drag down this Superman image in Inkscape directly. I will create a new layer and name it outline. I will lock the layer 1 and decrease the opacity. You can do this as your preference. Now from the toolbar I will select Bezier Curves tool and start the outline process. If you don't know about the tools, check the Inkscape basic guide video in the I button. To remove the strokes, press Shift plus X in the color palette. You can make more details in the eyebrow, but I am not doing because the tutorial will be very long. This is the basic structure of the white part. Now I will draw a circle for the eyeball, but to make the size of the eyeball fit in the eye, I will duplicate the eye pressing Ctrl D and select both Ctrl plus asterisk. Then only the intersection is left. Now I will color the eye and lower the level. Then change the eyeball color. Press T to hit the dropper and then select the color of the eye. To draw the details in the eye, draw another circle smaller than before and again the intersection process. Don't forget to duplicate the bigger area and then apply the intersection. Do this for the second eye also. I will make a duplicate first one and place it to the other to save time. Now time for the lower edge of the nose, dark area. I am doing this very fast. You can edit notes later after doing it. I will edit the notes, delete some notes to make it very smooth, and it looks very good, almost good. I will draw in the dark part between the upper lip and the lower lip. It is a very thin area, do this carefully, not very big, like this, thin as possible. Now it is done. Now time for the hair. I am making the video fast forward so that you don't get bored. Just you do this very carefully because the hair part is the part which make the look good or bad. I will color it now, and you can see this side is not looking very good. I will edit the nodes here, reduce some nodes, and make the curve looking good. It is almost done. And now you can draw the outline for whole part of the face and body. It will take some time, but believe me, it will look very good after everything is done. If you have not subscribed our channel, do this now. I am making the video for long days and not getting very good response. Make the comment if you like the video or not. If you want any changes in the videos, I will be very glad for that. Follow the basic steps again and draw the Superman logo, and remember, we'll make the red under the level of the yellow so that the yellow part is visible. Okay, let's do this. I will draw the chin part now. It was left undone. It is very vital part. You can make other details on the face which is dark in the outline section, but I will skip it for now. You can try it at home. I will now make new layers for skin and shirt below the outline, and obviously above the layer 1, and for shadows also. Making skin like this because this layer is under the outline layer, so the skin will be under the hair. It will not be over the hair, it will be under the hair. Now I will make the other outline following the outline I have made before. You can continue with pressing the red hand. Now I will fast forward this process because this would take some time. Seems like the opacity of the hair is not 100%. Make it to the 100% and you will see the overlapping skin is gone. I will draw the lips now, so I will decrease the opacity of the skin, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F, then reduce the alpha channel or opacity. After increasing the opacity of the skin again, you can see the lip is not visible. This is because the lip is under the level, not under the layer. So lower the level of the skin below the lips and the lips will be visible again. And it was the part 1. Check the video where I'll be giving the shadows in the face and the body. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share or subscribe to our channel. Thank you.